Explain the concept of multithreading in Java. A thread consists of sequentially executable program or code controlled by the operating system. A thread has a thread state or started, running, worked, and finished. A thread has a thread architecture or data, its objects, and its resources. A A thread is a lightweight entity. A thread is a subprocess within the process that has its own PCSP, its own priority parameter, its own signal. And at the kernel, a multiprocessing OS runs more than one process at a time. When a process consists of multiple threads, it is called a multi-threaded process. The multiple threads can share the data and memory of the process. A thread cannot call another thread to run. For example, a thread is independent and cannot control other thread. The scheduling of multiple threads is done by a thread scheduler. Display process in a mobile phone. The threads coming under the process display process are display time, date, display signal, display profile, display message, display call states, display menu. Multithreading in the Java feature that allows the concurrent execution of two or more parts of a program or the maximum utilization of the CPU. Each part of a stack program is called a thread. So threads are lightweighted process within a process. Threads can be created by using two mechanisms. Extending the thread class, implementing the runnable interface. We create a class that extends the jar.lang.thread class. This class overrides the run method available in the thread class. A thread begins its life inside run method. We create an object of our new class and class starts and method to start the of the thread object. Thread creation by implementing the runnable interface. We create a new class which implements the java.lang.runnable interface and overridden run method. Then we initiate the thread object and a call start method on this object. Use of Java code to write a program which explains the concept of method overriding. In any object-oriented programming language, overriding is a feature that allows the subclass or child class to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by one of its superclass or the parent classes. When a method in the subclass has the same name, same parameters or the signature and the same return type as the method in this superclass, then the method in the subclass is said to be override the method in the superclass. On data 1, move it, overridden method, inherited method, subclass, overriding method, and class. Method overriding is one of way by which they have achieved the runtime polymorphism. The version of a method that is executed will be determined by the object that is used to evoke it. If an object of a parent class is used to evoke the method, then the version in the parent class will be executed, but if an object of the subclass is used to evoke the method, then the version in the class child class will be executed. In other words, it is type of the object being referred to that determines which the version of the overridden method will be executed. Simple Java program to Demon method overriding in the Java base class, class parent void show, system out dot println parent inherited class, class child extends the parents. This method overrides